Hey everybody, I'm Yvonne Williams with Back to Earth Creations, and I want to show you guys what we are putting into our online shop this week. We have 32 cabochons here, ranging in price from $5 to $25, just depending, and each one will be listed with its price and everything over on the website. It's just at the time of recording, we haven't really established yet exactly what the prices are going to be or bagged them up, but some of these, they are in order of how they're going to be listed on the website though. But some of these guys with the dichro just are so pretty, and I have such a difficult time capturing them in a photograph. So I wanted to kind of show you how these different pieces flash and shine. So all of these are 96 COE fused glass. They can be used in wire wrapping, chainmail, polymer clay. You can bake them into in a kiln to precious metal clay. They bake perfectly well into, I don't know if I said polymer clay already, but so long as you don't bring it up to over 1450, 14,000 or 1,450 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, good gracious, numbers are hard. Then you don't have to worry about it losing its shape. Though, if you are doing your own firing of these cabs, please do be sure to anneal them properly. Gosh, I do love just how that really nice turquoisey blue, oh, so pretty. Then super duper pretty. We use a lot of different techniques to get these different shapes and colors and styles and such. I really like some of these for incorporating into stained glass as well. You can still put that copper tape and use the solder to incorporate these pieces into your stained glass work. And then some of the different dichroic pieces like this. So this is just going to be a short little video of basically us ogling some shiny glass stones. But I really love making, I'm going to be doing a tutorial soon on how we make our little cabs in this style. And this is using some green aventurine as well. Not like the gemstone, but it's a glass with little shards of metal in it that are just beautiful. And I really love some of the bubbles and texturing in some of these guys. This is a really great example of the green aventurine and that shimmer. Oof. And we've been experimenting with different shapes and colors and textures of dichro as well. That one has a really nice, almost like dandelion tuft seed head of dichro in there. Another one of these. Now, if you like our glass cabochons, I really love that one, and you would like to support the creation of our free tutorials and all sorts of different stuff, as well as get your hands on some cabs at a pretty nice discount, please consider joining our Craft Along Club. There are links down in the video description below, but where for as little as $1 a month you can get access to our behind the scenes content and different things like that. But starting at $10 a month, we send out cab boxes where we cover the shipping. Well, if it's in the $10 or $20 tier, we cover the shipping to the United States, but we do ship internationally to the $30, $40, and $50 tier. But in our $10 tier, you get, well, you can actually check out on our website, there's a video tour of what you'd be getting in your kit, or kind of what you could expect each month. I really love this piece, kind of the patchwork Mod Podge of, this one's probably one of my favorites from this week's shop update. But yeah, and just the more you pledge, the more you get. And at the time of recording, it's still 2020. And if you sign up before the end of 2020, your first kit will be a double kit, which is pretty cool. Well, double cabs. You won't get double wire because we can't fit it into the box. And and that counts for if you've been a patron or if you've never been a supporter before or anything like that. You'll get that double kit when you sign up on our website. I'm really loving just the depth and the way that it catches the light. Those blue ones, and some of them are just wee bitty little dichro pieces. Also, the more you order off of our website, like whenever you purchase, like if you were to take one of these cabs home with you, the more you buy, the more free stuff we sneak in to your package. So hopefully, as kind of a thank you to y'all for being so supportive of our company over the years and helping us to, like, we couldn't have even ever branched into doing fused glass or anything like this if it weren't for y'all's support. So, I'm trying to think. You can acid etch these on your own. You could sandblast them to give them a really interesting, like, sea glass finish. Who did that guy? I said that other one was my favorite, but this one might be one of my favorites too. Absolutely love those colors. This guy's pretty nice too. Twinkle, twinkle. And this is a sister piece to the previous one. That one might be one of my favorite dichro textures. And then these guys. Ooh. Also, I wanted to talk to y'all about if you enjoy our work and would like to participate in our newsletter. You can sign up for our newsletter at our website. Again, on like just about every page, there's a place where you can sign up. But and that way you can get notifications of when we have new tutorials or premieres or live streams or anything like that, as well as shop updates. I only really send out like 2 emails a week though, so I don't want you guys to worry that we're going to be spamming you, because we're not about that. But if you would like to be featured in our newsletter, either by wire wrapping one or using in any kind of creative medium, if you're using our glass cabs or following along with one of our tutorials, please be sure to send us an email to backtoearthcreations@yahoo.com with a high quality picture of your work that you'd like featured, as well as links to if you have like a website or an Etsy or a social media page that you'd like for us to direct people to, as well as a short bio. That way we can kind of introduce you to everybody who signed up for our newsletter. Then yeah, we can feature you in our newsletters, which we're pretty excited about. And we're trying to put together a featured artisan gallery on our website as well, where if you're featured in our newsletter, then you go into the artisan gallery, and that way people can kind of, like, oh, I saw this in a newsletter, and then they can go there and find you, even if they lose the newsletter. And at the time of recording, again, we have a little over 400 people signed up to our newsletter. And I don't know, it seemed like a great way to be able to give back to you guys, because y'all have given us so much, and we just want to thank you guys, and featuring y'all is the absolute least that we can do. So be sure to send that info in if you're interested in being featured, and if you have any questions, there's a contact form on our website, and there's also, you can email us at backtoearthcreations@yahoo.com. So yeah, this is our shop update, and I can't remember what letter this week is. I think it's a K. Yeah. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way down to 32. So on our website, this one would be, dichroic glass cab 30K, is just the item number, because each week we do a different letter associated with the number. So let me know down in the comments though, which one of these is y'all's favorite, and what color and style of cabochons do you want to see in next week's shop update. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with us, and until next time, happy crafting. Bye.